Crude oil has erased all the gains from the day before, and from the highs at 86.5 we have seen it reversing sharply towards 84.5 levels. Now, why 84 86.5 86.6 zone proven out to be a great resistance, and why it is still respected on the downside towards 84.5? Those who had watched the yesterday's and the day before yesterday's videos and updates must know why these are going to remain stronger support and resistance levels, and why oil has continued with the at the same time natural gas beautifully look 2.02. And those who had watched all my videos in the recent past, what did I mention? Beyond 1.9, 2.0 to 2.05 is the zone we were looking forward to. And if it breaks beyond 2.0 to 0.05, we will look forward to 2.1 and 2.2 as the near term targets. And in fact, beyond that, 2.4, 2.5 is possible. Net gas, after forming this on the daily charts, it has achieved the highs at 2.02. So, now what to expect today from oil and gas? Can we expect oil to continue with the drop, or there is bullishness is still, and oil is going to rally past 87? Because inventory data coming in from US today will add lot much of volatility to the crude oil prices. At the same time, net gas has also come to the highs at 2.802 levels, which are critical resistances. So how to profit today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. The next update will be released before the key data releases and the US session. So do watch that as well. Just subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment, which is always a great motivation, inspiration, support for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And yes, you can be part of the free Telegram channel to get the notifications. Sometimes the notifications of when I upload the video take some time, but yes, on Telegram, if you join, you will get the live updates as well. And yes, do not miss to join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Let's start first to look into your crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end, and yes, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now look at the hourly charts for crude oil here. See, first of all, there was a gap, there was a drop. It has come to the take the support from 84.2 levels. Then lower highs, it has found its resistance intact and tried to reverse. Now, most importantly, as of now, what I am looking forward to, see, couple of observations here. Lower highs calls for lower lows, which means 83.5, 83.6, and also the resistance here at 86.4, 86.6, making it a very strong level to break past by. Now that is what for the day you should watch out for. Now look at the hourly chart, the drop there, the retracement, it is trying to consolidate. The 20 period moving average is waiting at around 85.2, 85.3, and this is also the first level and a critical level for crude oil to break past by. The stochastic has dropped a little. MACD is at bottom. It is trying to converge. See, it is showing waves. So a crossover here can lead to little retracement. RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. The drop here with diminishing body sizes. It is now trying to consolidate its position. Thus, if you see oil staying below 84.4, you can take a sell entry. In fact, 84.5, you can take a sell entry. 84.2, 83.8. Now, this is something you should watch out for. If it drops below 83.8, where you can say a little bearishness will increase, we can look forward to 83.5 levels as the next targets. 83.5 is going to be the strongest support. 83.5, 83.3. Below that is where the bears will attack here. Stock IC was oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. The drop, the retracement, the drop. Now see here, it is forming higher lows. So it is still under retracement. It has to break below 84.2 in order to confirm the bearishness. Stochastic oversold. MACD bearish. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Price is trying to consolidate a little before taking a position, else it could continue here on the retracement zone. Stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat here. Now, coming to daily chart. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 15th of April now. In this batch, we focus on few things. First, we share all the key concepts, trading strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify profitable trades with ease. And next is teaching you the skills so that you can trade profitably. Yes, do not miss to join this and cherish the learning for life. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. We trade diverse set of instruments in my signals channel. Thus, connect with me over email or Telegram. The contact details are shared in the channel and video description. And most many of you had also asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy, which offers the lowest spreads and a safe swap-free account. Yes, the link is there in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer. Yes, if you see, I have compared it across brokers. You will find the spreads offered through the link are lowest, and thus do not waste your money by paying higher fees. Do join the broker now. Now, if you look at the daily now, first on the daily charts, the reversal sign was there, retracement. It has filled the gap. It is continuing its journey on the downside. Now, see, yesterday what we have seen lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is very, very important now for gold to break below. See, if you see it is staying at 84.4, you can take a sell entry. In fact, I will say at 84.5 itself, you can sell and then wait for it to break past two critical supports, first at 84.2 and then 83.8. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward for oil to move towards the 20 period moving average sitting at around 83.5 zone, and this appears an achievable level because see, oil always try to take this dip here after trading with divergence from the moving average. So be careful today if it drops below 84.4. More bearishness towards 83 can be seen here. On the upside, you can buy here if you see it is staying above. See, 85.3, 85.6 is the resistance zone which it should not break. But if you see it is staying above 85, you can take a little buying position, but this has to be with extreme caution as 85.3, 85.6, two resistances, and only beyond 86 is where we can see that the bulls are back, and it has to break then 86.4, 86.6 zone in order to confirm the reversal. Chances for this reversal exist to be less, but if the inventory data comes to be in support, certainly you can expect it to rise more. Else, possibility of a drop towards 83 cannot be denied. So take your position accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now, if you look at nat gas has seen this dip after achieving the highs from 2.02. It has shown this dip and it is again back to the track. What is the track? Track is indeed bullish. It is staying in this bullish channel here. Now it is very, very important for net gas to break beyond 2.02 levels, which will confirm its rise and ascent towards 2.05 levels, which is going to be the first and key resistance level. And hence you can buy here at 2.02 levels. Now, if you look at moving averages are trading with divergence, indeed it is a bullish sign, stochastic near to overbought. But MACD has taken a crossover here. It is trying to retrace a little, and that is why we have seen a little drop. RSI again comfortable. It has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2-hour chart, see if you look at the 2-hour charts, prices were divergent from the 20 period. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average. If you look at the channel here, the highs at 2.05, and let's say if it achieves the highs at 2.05, where are the lows? 1.98. So this is the zone where we have to focus on. The stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI coming back to overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour chart, now net gas on the 3-hour charts is showing similar observation. Only after consolidation it appears that we are looking forward to a rise. But still, I will recommend you to wait for 2.02 levels to be breached, because only beyond which we can expect 2.05, 06 zone to get achieved. And if you look at the stock stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is in green, the RSI is rising here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts one must look at first wave consolidation, second is on rise here. You can find out this is the channel here, which means 2.05, and in fact 2.1 levels can be expected here. Yes, on the downside now support at 1.9 is going to be very, very strong. So yes, the trading zone between 1.9 and 2.1 is what you should focus on. Stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, only worry point here is the candle has started outside Bollinger Bands. And the second point here is the diminishing bullishness. Now see what has happened here, rise retracement, and see similar pattern was observed, diminishing bullishness. We have seen a swing and the price is reversed. Now this could repeat here because it is outside Bollinger Bands. So you can see it achieving 2.0506 zone and prices might try to again come back towards 2.0 to 2.0 zone. The stochastic is back to overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish here, rising here. RSI is rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy a net gas today is 2.02, but you have to strictly trail it as long as 2.06 is not breached. You should put a 10 points trailing stop loss. And about 2.06, the target is 2.1 and then 2.2 levels. If not today, possibly some point of time soon. And on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry today is only below 1.98 levels, below which 1.96, 1.94, 1.92, 3 levels you should take care, and then 1.9. So you have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. As long as 1.9 is not taken, you should not be treating natural gas as bearish. Again, rather, I will say if you see it dropping towards 1.9, you can initiate a buying entry again. So take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Watch out the next update before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, and join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.